In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a flowchart in Miro. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Miro.com, and from in there you should be able to see this page. So Miro is an AI-powered blackboard or whiteboard that you can help collaborate with people. For this case, enter right here your work email as well as your Gmail and click on this sign up free in order to sign up for an account. If you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option that we can see right here. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log in. Now here is what your board will look like on Miro. So in order to build a flowchart, proceed to head over and click onto this icon right here, which is Tools, Media, and Integration. Once you have done that, you can click onto the search tools and search in here for flowchart. You can find in here this diagram, which is also what we call flowchart. So for this case, just proceed to head over and then click on this, or you can also just drag it into the actual board. So on my case, let me head over and then just add it. And then as you can see, you can choose where to input it. I'll input it right here. And here is what it would look like. So with this, you can help create with AI, or you can already just drag and drop shapes here to choose another quick start option. You can either create with AI, add shape, or start with template. For example, right here, let's create an AI. Now, when you click on that option, you can enter it here response. So let's input it here, flowchart about processes of photosynthesis. So you can just input that right here, or you can also choose right here what you want to do. Let's input first flowchart about photosynthesis. Then send that. And then this will generate in here a flowchart about the specific topic that you have added. And here is what it would look like. It will connect all of these two together, and here it is right here. Proceed to click on this add to canvas, and it will be added right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.